Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. Today we have Mr. Krishnan with us from Jackson Green and hello sir.
Hi, good afternoon.
A very warm welcome to EQ sir. Sir, firstly I would like to ask you about something about yourself and your company.
So, I am Krishnan. I am the Joint Managing Director of Jackson Green. Jackson Green is into the sustainable business. We are into solar. We are into the solar operation maintenance, as well as now we are coming in not in green hydrogen and green hydrogen molecule businesses also. We do EPC, we do O&M, as well as we do our own energy projects.
Okay, so sir, can you tell us something about the renewable solution you are practicing in your company? I mean renewable solutions you are practicing that will help environment with Jackson Green.
We are into the sustainable business. All the project what we are doing is on solar, which is our controlling carbon emission. We are working various carbon capturing projects also. We at the Jackson we are committed for the environment and carbon control. That's what we are doing. Whatever we do on a very innovative way, and we do whatever the project to the extent to satisfaction of our customer also.
Okay, and if we talk about current portfolio of your company, what types of companies you are looking for, sir?
Now we are working with even government organizations like NTPC. We are into the multinational companies or India-based company. We are mix of all the people. We are sector dynamic list, and we don't have any particular this one. We work with everyone on the EPC front as well as IPP front.
That's great. And are you having any plans and strategies to save our environment, green environment, sir?
Yeah, definitely. Whatever we do, whatever the renewable plant we are putting, the intention is not only even beyond the renewable power plants. Now we are working towards carbon capturing, which also will going to help the country from the carbon control method.
Okay, so is there any key learning you would like to tell our viewers about your journey?
So every day is a learning. Actually, we started this area last 2.5 years back with a small EPC. Thanks to our customer. The customer having lot of faith on us because our strength is on-time execution of the project. Because of that, we used to get repeated projects, and we will ensure that all our customers are well satisfied and we execute the project on time.
Okay, so thank you, sir. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.